Rameshwari, keno tak se mamangi exercise to toibi du nakoi gi du noina thari bajing dei du khara semtok sadok kada bu khara lai ko duna gyan ta na punna tauba ma natraga na ina answer du semaga irakpa ma dumaina tauge nakoi gi du dei du da toibi nangi di yam kana yengdi yengdri keno gi matang da media gi matang da kitang hayaning ba khara aduga difference between ama yawbuda question da prime kari gi matang da no adu difference to printer gi matang da non impact ka impact printer ga yawbudu section oina semaga point of view ko aina hining is adu pi targa di na khoi da point masing manga thokum matam da difference manga du pi targa di marks manga to completely phangane ba one para da ibudu di that is not quite enough ko that is not enough to get the 5 marks adu maina lakani maram aduna nakoi yarim khoi nakoi na section gadab je any exam da difference view hai targa di let's make a section ko right side da ama left side da ama aduga point point do hai di sam sam na ma ji speed yam yangi hai de ama du tapani dana ko ama du speed tapi adu maina I ba gumba adu maina kitang elaborate tu yam kan sang na tawdraga ju point key points to pi na bu hono ba yare do koi ngasi naina ga se section 3 is da na koi gi kino se da hogrikan da marak ta nam tang hayoge na koi gi lairik yore lockdown marak se dai se da adu lairik to thila ani lairik thilak pase office ta kai do thila ani adu ga ina dai da lauraga na koi da mo pirage adu noi lawbala ta lawna laga dum kino to bi ani ka Horasi operating system operating system haibasi karino haibasi dai sta koina nahangi last class to the yengo matam da software makal ani khak legi ka system software haiba ma application software haiba ma madai da aina nakoi da haikre system software haibase kaino hai targadi operating system se one of these system software ni haigre operating system is the each and every components, each and every parts, it's being connected say operating system the loin information like an operating system is everything, every information loin like an ever. Yantai ko masigi operating systems the information je pass to godini the primary memory da matang communication establish to do never ko the operating system have say one of the system software ni mangonda every hardware device or every software installed to say operating system the loina information like the otherwise na tragedy yaro ko operating system sida is the logic yengo an operating system is a program that acts as an interface between the user of a computer and computer hardware. Masai ko na computer ki hardware le riba mayam sing se device mayam sing se aina season aning ne ba aina season aning matam da magi manung sida sida kari yauri kamai tauri haibado akhoi da khanghalliba uhalliba photo karina no hai targadi operating system ne ba operating system je karino interface amane ba interface haibadi kaino mi amagi marakta akhoi uningai gi sizinariba poto madu akoida interface haina kana artha hanba yaiba ko aduna computer gi user oiriba aikoi siga computer gi hardware manung da leiriba mayam se masi unaba sizinaba yanaba gi damakta operating system jina madugi behavior magi function do taweba ko the purpose of an operating system is to provide an environment in which user can execute programs in a convenient and efficient manner. Masagi ko na computers operating system na tawray si karino hay targadi environment na mo provide to eba karama makhan gi environment hay kanda ay ko na program ma execute to ba in a convenient and efficient manner. Some computers that ina kai gum to ni for example I use here ka na koi calculator is nahi calculator se dai yaw re base jo one of the koi operating market system yaw bagini mana plus nama matam plus ki function matareba minus hai kana minus ki tareba screen da uriba poto madu gumyam jingdo operating system jina pirai ne phone da ju sama nei na koina computer haiba matam da computer sidi yamna tangna season abugi mong da koina ui ko yamna tangna season abugi mong da yam rarely or masi ki ba koina matam kay hatare magi tongan ba purpose ama later kan da season aboy no but whereas na koina hojik season ari se phone smartphone ajidi ke dawe anytime anywhere season abugi mong da loi lere aduna smartphone sida ju koina hojik yam kan season ari se android based oi ba du software sine phone sine ko ado Android hai se kai no hai ta ga is one of the operating system ne na koi na thengnaram ba yai thengnaram ta ba yai koi na hojik kaino Samsung ka Samsung ji Android based ni even MI Poco Oppo na leiribi sing se maximum Android based ne Nokia na mamang da koi ki Nokia nam sinjinarmi ka Nokia ki operating system je Symbian ne ko Symbian ni BlackBerry legere Apple gi na iOS na leise sumai tawdna makoy company tongan bagi operating system jo maming tongan jabani but moina tawise kaina program ma execute tawba yaba yamna efficient oiba yamna chana ba mongda yamna akhoi da khudong jaba mongda program ma execute to holiba poto madugi environment create to kanana no hai targeti operating system it is the first program loaded into the computer memory after the computer is switched on. Ngasagi computer si heck switch on to baga ngasagi operating system si da layriba program mayam sing se puthoraga karai da thami memory si da thamme aduna this is the first program first program ni karai da load to ba computer ki memory habdi primary memory si ni ka popular operating system include MS-DOS. MS-DOS habiti Microsoft DIX operating system habini OS2 operating system 2 Windows and Unix. Unix is a economic seasonary ba phone gi Android ka hai se makoi se sigi Unix se da lakpani makoi open source ana mano oigalli Windows hai is no Windows 8 Windows 7 Windows 9 sorry Windows 10 Windows 9 di late ka Windows 8 की ड्रॉबैक मैम सिंग दो तौरगा विंडोज 10 9 पुथोकदब मागी फीचर्स कर दो पुनसिन करगा कंबाइन तौरगा विंडोज 10 ओइना लाकपने को the operating system is an important component of the computer system because it sets the standards for the application program that runs on it all program must be written in a manner which is recognized by the operating system asa aina hagib do operating system is kaino software वगैरह hardware वगैरह मागी information sing se loina operating system da laidoi nebo for example operating system se da is the laibang am da information do you won't be able to use that particular device madugi device to nang season abang amroi kari operating system jena pau fauna bangam dre entar ni ka so now yengasi various function of operating system se kaino ai kanda first the memory management function ahanbada magi various functions hai kaino haibada ek nei narko matam da memory management function computer asida memory is so matik important kai gi damakta isam sam ne yengo yam simple oiba ama kaktang nangi computer si ngaktang nakan da thidwe haraga mangon da memory je so matik important oiri se kari maram gi do haidu lakna gi damakta nangi calculator se nangi dawe you can solve the arithmetic functions kendai ka arithmetic leiriba mayam jing do nang pangthok pa yai ba but whereas nang nang haktang gi minute manga gi mamang da nang hot khiba angka do kaidawi aikoi mado recall to bangam de hoi haujikan da calculator mayam thole nang hek hot pa loibaga nang gi step sing da chumabra masing jing da chumabra yengna ba check and step by step di thole but madugi mamang da lagi ba angka hot khiba do aikoi na check to bangam de because that is gone from their memory yantai ko aduna ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯔꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯄꯔꯃꯅꯦꯟꯠꯂꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯋꯥꯡꯉꯤꯉꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯏ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯒꯦꯗꯔ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯒꯦꯗꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯞ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯋꯦꯟ ꯋꯤ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯌꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯇꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯤ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯐꯪꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯦ one of the important function oyebako Operating system manages the primary memory of the system. It allocates the memory on the request of a process which is being run at that time. It also keeps a check at a particular time how many bytes of memory are in use and which process is using it. Yengimni mana sidayda karamba matamda memory kyam occupy torakani, demand kyam lakani, karamba process na kyam seasonary haibajin na koi na kedoba ubu fangadoinebo. Masi akoina karaido ubu fangi hai targadi isam samna ayak sujik sidayda dum na koigi screen se da dum onge sida changjal leraga akoina right click task bar da right click toraga start task manager haibajin sangma matam sida ulis performance nangi system ki performance service and process ida yo memory private working udlika sida adagi description ulika sona kanda sidana muk name hai image name hai nangi sigi service maming sine these are the service names and they are running and these are the memory which occupied by a particular service. Asagi zoom jina ko usik zoom season is zoom jina usik mangon the memory is 1,53,072 kg usik one season ari memory is computer ki memory is. Sidi ngo CPU uses 25 percentage sidi dum hong laini process usik kyam laini hai tardi application process kya run tauri hai tardi 113 run tauri. Application ji sidi yengo matam nang khar kakta ne udoi se. But whereas nangi process tadi mayam laini. Services nangi sida jo services mayam run tauri sigi service nang ngasagi process masing do manarni then process nangi computer ki process kyam kamaina laidi performance kamaina tauri hojik physical memory je kainoni 4.78 GB ni CPU uses na sini memory je so ki matik chauna hojik use tawi aduna computer se magi performance dum khar slow oirani. Then today is the networking. Networking today is the hujik season network today is the I wireless season ay magi link speed kano 150 Mbps ni connected later. Aga today is the magi speed. Today is the network utilization do sida ulis. Then user care. Sigi mayam sing se Windows Task Manager ni sumaina manager have the memory manager se. Memory ki akoi ki function ki manager se akoi ni yengba ya se nangi ngasai computer se dai manage and sanga ba matung da right click toraga manage masigi damakta administration account lai badaka tai ko sida changani sida changa ba matung da nakoi ki tholakane ba window tholakani ko. Okay, hujik si thore ko computer management ana computer management sida disk management ana tholai ko disk management ka ino hai target nang hard disk nangi computer sida lai hard disk to adugi manage to dini na ne koina partition da takpada yaugre primary and secondary and logical masigi pose aina numitu da jo dum ai if I'm not wrong ko ai sigi screen je puthoga du utkhi na ai khalle sida primary lere ko and then sida logical lere logical se sigi kangbu sini primary lere sina sigi kangbu sine mind to na computer sida operating system sina kari kari kana piri operating system si yaw kana mangonda manage tawba yaba function mayam jing se yamna line ai koida user sida is the interface utle asa haigibdo hardware le connect tawriba mayam sing se sigi interface amo hoina interface ai ko ubu phangedana ko madugi potun yengsi next point. It also keeps the track of what part of it is free. Nasagi mangon the peers. Nangi computer karamba parts in free lady koli habits. In case of the multi-user system, it decides on the priority basis that which user will have access to memory and when. How much of it is used depend on the requirement. Nasagi na koi sida is the multi-user habits. Multi habi kino amadagi henba. User adi kino seasonary ba midugi masing. Multi user haiba malai koi uni user haiba malakani ka multi user hai target nangi computer sida matam amatada multiple users haibadi amadagi henbana user amadagi henbana login tawrga season arpado madubu kari kawi haikanda multi user kawe ko aduna sujik sidai sida ikona multi user kisdai sida na kari this kamaina कमाइना डिसाइड तौई हाई कानसिदा प्रायोरिटी यूजर मैम जिंग अमजो जंकदोइने अदुई मतम दुदा अइना हाना सिजनगे ना रिक्वेस्ट रि कंप्यूटर की थ्रू द लाकदोइने लाको मतम सिदा अहन लाकदो अदुगी प्रायोरिटी दुदा चक्किदोइने क्यू द लेरो मतुंगा अदुना माना सिदा इज it decides on the priority basis that which user will have the access memory and when as asagi request lakodugi matungina magi application du run torokda loigibugi matungina adumaina loina leigadoine bako मखोई जिंगसे अखोइना कंप्यूटर सिंग येंग नैनरको मतमदा अचुकी मतिक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम से यामना चावबा दुगुंबा सब्जेक्ट अमनी मखोइना सिदाइसिदा याम टेंटकना समरी ओइना नकोइदा हाइरमिसे how much of it is used depends on the requirement samna ozik ekoi kai harsige memory se ngasagi aina sidaisida ulidana ko sidaisida aigi memory se ulle memory sta kedawe sida koi process yo Google Chrome jina ujik seasonare si mukai seasonagre adagi Zoom jina seasonary basi singini CPU ki percentage da diyengo atai myam je idle loina leini zero haije kino idle ni ko adu Zoom jina hena occupy toraktra memory di kedoba magi darka leiba sang du khakta nem sida lawrise but toim chung CPU process ri kedowe mana hena lawdra aduna sigi memory sidai sida ujik leiriba jingse occupy di tore toim chung kedoba idle da leiba mayam yauri maram aduna memory jingse asi कोइना अतोप म सिजन गे हाइता गदि फ्री अप तोरक दगा तारकनेबो हौजे हौजे की ओइना दी मेमोरी दी मखोय अदुम सिजननी दगा लेबदु दु मोय अदुम लौनी तबदु CPU दी यंगको मतमदा CPU की प्रोसेस है ओनली वन एप्लीकेशन दा मसिंग चौखलैजे को मान सिजन बगी चांग दु नंबर 2 दंग यंगो प्रोसेसर मैनेजमेंट हौजे की प्रोसेसर मैनेजमेंट दु कोइना उतोगो उली दु दी को ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आल्सो टेक्स केयर ऑफ द प्रोसेसर it allocates the processor to user. In case multi-user system, it allocates the processor time to different user and when they need, and it's in a such way that every user has a minimum waiting time. Asagi I know the utkiba processor uji akoina seasonary applications ida hena leire aduga atai jingdura idle leire madugi jingdo daga leire ko matamda matang seasoner kadoine hojik yengche for example amoina ekoi hojik hangi ko si hang matung sida aina kedore sidai sida application ama koi hoje hang tok se ko si hang to sigi application je aina hojik run tawren khala jeba sigi run tawriba application je side chingtharo notepad ana ko mas notepad sidi am seasonadre karamba application hang sige okay chrome je ho aina hojik chrome je hang ma matam da kai dogre ho chrome matak to hojik khonga amani magi keno seasonabagi chang memory hengakre ko hengkalibo pose akoina hojik sidai sida muk chrome je seasoner ko matam da CPU ju honga kane ko CPU sida honga ise se chrome 02 hojik thomi dana ko sida tholai je 0201 ana sigi pose kaino nangi ngasai gi processor sina use tor ko matam do adu assign tor ko matam jing du nego aina je haisini operating system hai topic se suki matik chawi mangon de loina leirubni operating system fajana bu khang daragadi computer se hayeng nang na trouble shoot to matam da difficulties am talai roiba R&D has research and develop natraga trouble shoot to matam da nang R&D to computer se da chingna am talai roiba operating system se once crash to gitari operating system da file ma kaktang magi leibam thokpo maram chana leita targati maduna kai dore hai kana nangi application do maram chana run to loi error lakani aduguma mayam jing do loina leigine madugi poto aikoina repair to haibase operating system se da asuki matik knowledge leiba ma daga ta each and every file registry file gana leidorimi registry file je maram chana khangba ma daga ta asuki matik expert oiba ma daga ta maduna tataga di kedore ekoi operating system yadre format harani ekoi lekai hai tare ko even hujik akoi gi manipur sigi manung da dum haiba yaina kalli aigi wakanda hoi aina yam haiman ba thokpa dudi tadana ba I khardi dum excuse to ge ko maximum operating system ji yarak to matam da trouble shoot to de ke dawi OS yadre format to rajena anobo operating system me hekta thadai Yadako operating system anobam thadaba matamsida aikhoida ko miji kaino nangi ngasai gi problem du karino khangaroi anobo operating system am thada targadi anobo software sing du install tok targadi adum smoothly nangi computer do function tograne yantai ko aduga operating system je thadara matung da noni ni leraga error tholok pe ke dorok pe madu da jong kai hani as file corrupt tobini adum thada jar kane try tawroi kari gi damakta la error la ino kholino haibase sana da bele software sing se even isam sam na nakoi hujik sida jongo nakoi gi phone jing da application ja hapa matam da nokia gi phone da yawba phone nakoi gi nokia gi da nawai windows operating system lami windows da android ki install to we yade sana da compatibility issue le madu gi mayam sing do ekoi na loina ke do ba naina ga da bane madu karai da naina doino operating system se Matang dong yango device management. It keeps track of all the device that is the peripheral attached to the computer, such as I/O device, etc. Sigi matang sida ayo haige. I device ma am sing sikrai da lay hai ta ga disang. Device and the printer hai ba ma lay reko. Sida sida nang na sina kaira peripheral device hai je. Masai I/O. I/O hai bidi kari hai ba input and output ka. Sila yung am sing printer sing siya. Ay ngon do printer kaya install to ga lay. Printer ahum taruk mapan. Okay. Sida system gi manung da khaktang season abase Nitro PDF creator gan hai je. Makoi sida apps ni sida Microsoft akoi gi XPS ka hai je. Makoi sida physically attached over na table. They are not a physical attached printer. However, the driver has been installed on your computer that can be used in order to create PDF files, in order to create XPS files. Masidi adum koi irai laina kino to vi ko then adugi matung da sidai ngo Canon hairaga sidai sida MP3010 on 10.178.216.45 and haise that is a network printer network printer ni which means kaino hai kan atopa computer amada attached toraga install toraga laiba printer do aina network gi season agi hai bane sigi matam sida kaidawi hai kan we should be there in a single network haibadi akoi che network ama khakta da punna laimina ba ma daga tai network ama khakta da punna laimina ma tam sigi printer se on oitar gadi I can use it I can send a print from my computer by using this printer ka aduna masigi pose device mayam jing akoina control tor ko doi ne ba hujik device the two mouse sidai sta lei ka device atopa da nangi kul dut PC nam lei jare masi ai system ji maming ni and then Lenovo Wear ko optical mouse nam lei ditna sigi posina ai wireless mouse ne ngandai ko aduna sigumba device mayam jing su operating system se loina control tor ko doi ni when needed, it allocates the device in such a way that it can be efficiently used. It initiates the UO operation and allocate them along with other device to the user. Then next, the file management function. Writing and retrieving the information on or from the secondary storage device is the function of an operating system. Again, Siddhesh the hierarchy writing and retrieving the information on or from the secondary storage device is the function of the operating system. So, I can Siddhesh the Karigumba type tore applications in a we can type here. That is not a problem. But way, Maduki file do aina system da thamjange hai targadi what we need is operating system. Sida is the aina hujik file and namaga sida aina save as and number matamda sida tholakadoriba dialog box kaino this is the save as dialog box. Nakoina khanga da kaino every application da when you click the save as sigi dialog box sim tholangane magi type si khenabasidi application to ki matung ina khenajaboi wani ko Microsoft Office the number da jo sumaina tholangani Excel the numbers sumain tholangani Notepad the numbers sumain tholangani that means this is the operating system functions which called by the application the current application jina kauri ne ko operating system the request kauri ne high reverse save as key dialog box is the PBU so that the user can store the data. It allows a complete methodology for maintaining the files so that the different set of information do not get mixed up and exactly the same set of the information is supplied, which is required by the user. Mathang dong yengo, types of operating system. Sida lere ko types is kay lere single user, it's a uni user, multi user, multitasking, single tasking, network operating system. Hai riba mayam jing se karino nangi types to nebo. Single user asina kay dawni operating systems allows the only one user to work on a computer at a time. Masi kay no hai tari koi ki Microsoft Dix operating system and CPM. Hai riba operating systems hai makoi se karino hai kanda koi single user name. Multi-user asina karino hai kanda. This operating system allows more than one user to work on the computer at the same time. This operating system allocate memory in such a way that different users can work simultaneously without disturbing each other. It also allocate the operating system. It also allocate the processing time in such a way that every user gets a very quick response from the machine. These are also known as a time-sharing operating system. For example, Unix, Xenix, VMS, and Windows NT. Windows NT is a Windows Network Hibernation. The minor later VMS is in a virtual machine system. Unix and Xenix is in a Makogi Tonganula is there, Makoise Unix system guys Linux Kida Lakadorimni, Linux is a Unix based ovni. Makoi sing the multi-user name. Windows NT is in a Windows Server. Was it Windows Server 2012, Windows Server 2000, those are also multi-user neighbor. That means now on the CPU never. So minus CPU never. CPU is in either maru in a computer hardware install to reset. CPU is the nangi kedoba multiple users sangba yadu never. Multiple users sangba yadu never. Adugi potuni ko sida is the high set. Even a coin season riba Windows sing se equina kayatare multi user ni haibi but times of akoi matamamta the pull up login to wa ngam debako madugi potumalai. Then multitasking. Multitasking is a kaino hai target. Akoi single amakang to budo adu nataba thabak se matamamta the mayam to budo adubuni. The ability to execute more than one task at the same time, the task being a program, the term multitasking and multiprocessing are often used interchangeably, although multiprocessing sometimes implies that more than one CPU is involved. In multitasking, only one CPU is involved, but it switches from one program to another so quickly that it gives the appearance of executing all of the program at the same time. Haibadi kaina kan the multitasking is a I know it akoin isam sam the Windows akoin season multitasking ni kaina kan the I know jing the class tang na I can play a song with the player songs player am season again I am okay so there is the I can browse I can surf internet from here using the Google Chrome. This is the multitasking. Also, I know this print kapaga I can give a print command from here as well as I can explain along with this details. Sigi posinevo ko koina multitasking and maru in nainer kadoise. Multitasking sigi makata point sing there are two basic types of multitasking. One is the primitive and another one is the cooperative. In primitive multitasking, the operating system parcel out CPU time slice to each program. The cooperative multitasking is program can control the CPU for as long as it needs. Sida is the high CPU ki lajariba matam se primitive sida di suppose isam sam na chama lere our processor multitask ke kya laya hai kanda task manga laya hai manga se sama jina top divide to 20 the lo pito but whereas so there is the cooperative multitasking is nang kedora nangi darkar lebedo nangi darkar lebedo matam du pirani then adu hek loibaga kedoba madu free oil yantai ko adugi potun adu multitasking ase karai da depend tori hai dari ngasai akoina mamang da hai gido sida multitasking and multiprocessing are often used interchangeably. Processing do na multi process to bunga makpa matam do adu dani ko kana multitasking na highway yaris. If a program is not using the CPU, however, it can allow another program to use it temporarily. OS2, Windows 95, Windows NT, and Azima operating system and Unix use the primitive multitasking, whereas the Microsoft Windows X.3.x and the Multifinder on the Magnetos computer are cooperative multitasking. Windows singsisu masisu multitasking amani ko aduna masi akoina yamna kanna khangadabse karino haitadi multitasking se ado akoi gi karino primitive la natragana cooperative la na hangatar gadi akoina hojik haidoise akoi gi primitive ne Windows 7 and Windows 10 gana lai using single tasking operating system is kaino hai kanda this operating system allows execute only one task at a time, for example DOS yantarni ko sigi possible layer ne network operating system an operating system that include special functions for connecting computer and device into a local area network LAN. Some operating systems such as Unix and Mac OS have built-in networking function. The term network operating system, however, is generally reserved for software that enhance a basic operating system by adding networking features. For example, some popular NOS network operating systems for DOS and Windows system include Novell NetWare, Artisoft, Lantastic, Microsoft LAN Manager, and Windows NT. How's network operating system as the Carino network as the system matang connect to way system the kakang hai banatiko network hai targati kaigumba group ama lebe group sida amaga amaga pau paunaribdo madu kai kawi network isam samna hojik koi kaino da live jing se even physically koi hojik yam kana thengnariba network Amway the Viva or Oriflame Xeon and lady yam jing kai dawi makoi group to the sangi targati each and every one makoi kai dawi pau paunariba that is the network computer dana kai hai deba each and every computer which is being connected to transmit the information that is a local area network makoi do kai doba punna leminagadam ne yantai ko aduna operating system se kaino hai kanda masigi an operating system se magi functionality khaktung yawi local area network ta run to ba yaba adu poto karino hai kanda network operating system kawi makoi je karam karam no hai target such as Unix lere Mac OS lere but the term network operating system say however it's generally reserved for the software that enhance the basic operating system by adding network feature software di oidoi ni mangon the network feature se hape hairaga adugumba magi software se enhance to budune some like operating systems is one of the software ni maji kino akoina system amada thamaraga matang amaga pau phona bu yaraga season bu yar targadi that is the edoba enhanced already magi operating system da hoji aina pamiba system sidagi nataba atopa system amadagi data loge haiba matamda madugi poto aina network ke through the access to bu yar targadi that is very good ka aduga sidaisda amaduda physically challe harga lawruba sidong lakwa haibdo madudi kai haitare hojiki matam jiga chanaraktre maram maduna lairiba network technology is seasonaraga maduguma features mayam sing do hapsalai neba makoi sing do example oina the pire mamin sing do ningjango Novell NetWare, Artisoft, Lantastic, Microsoft LAN Manager, and Windows NT. Okay. Matang the Windows ki overview of the different version of the Windows ni masi koi kanator si ayeng nainer si hoji kidi ngasi gidi sidai sida aikoina maru various function of the operating system singse ningsing nabo honaro karino first memory management function, second processor management function, third device management functions, fourth file management functions. And then types of operating system, the single user operating system, multi-user operating system, then multitasking operating system, single tasking operating system, network operating system. Hairiba makal manga asiga nakoi ningjango. Aduga manungi oiba points sing city hoi nakoi lairik ta adum yengo details sing do ago loina na sigi PPT sisu adum kedoba share tora ne. Okay, pare adudi ngasi gidi sida sum loisalaji ko.
Sir, kayo lang.
To sir, class timing.
Class timing sing ngasi je kitang ngonda khudong sa ke dabai ni tareta dum tawni. Tare sin ngonda matam sa da bra.